Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, The World Around Us, we will be covering the section of grammar in which we will learn about connectors for sequence. So, open up page number 32 and let's get started. To know about connectors of sequence, let's read the given passage. I was going to the park. I cleaned my room. I got ready for the park. Mum packed some lunch for me. I went to get my friend. Look at the difference when the following connecting words are used, like then, while, and before. Now, after adding these connecting words, let's read the given passage. I was going to the park. Before that, I cleaned my room. Then I got ready for the park. While I was doing that, Mum packed some lunch for me. Then I went to get my friend. Do you see the difference now? I want you to read this passage again and look at the highlighted words in the text. Connectors for sequence are used to connect one sentence to the next so that the paragraph is easier to read. Now let's do an activity. Make some sentences using connectors before, while, and then on a loose sheet. If you have any difficulty, ask someone in your family for help. I have written down a little passage for you. I say Bismillah before eating. While eating, I chew my food properly. Then I say Alhamdulillah at the end. In this way, using the connectors before, while, and then, make your own sentences.